Okay, as many of you know, I wrapped a lot of my bike with this awesome blue, and I did it at Tint World, and they do guarantee their work. So here's a bubble. Sorry, my hands are filthy. I just got done doing another project. Oh, looks terrible. Okay, I'm sorry. But hey, it takes dirty hands sometimes, right? So I just got done installing my lights, and I had to get inside the tire, so sorry. But anyway, back to the project at hand. So there is a bubble, and no matter what you do to it, even if you pop a hole in it, or maybe it just keeps coming back. So they guarantee the work, and they're going to redo it. But I thought it'd be fun to let you know how easy it is to remove a wrap. And this is the reason why I like a wrap, because even though it's expensive, but you can change it out as often as, you know, your heart desires, and change all the colors, change whatever you want. So you just find it's actually very rewarding. You find a little edge that you want to work at, and you just start pulling it off. And that's how easy it comes off. It's much harder to put on than it is to get off. I mean, it's not as easy as I thought it would be. I thought the analogy would be like pulling off when you get a really bad sunburn and your skin peels. I thought it'd be like that, but it's actually much tougher. I'm trying to think of an analogy. It takes effort to take it off, for sure. It takes strength. Not strength, but it definitely takes some work. It's weird because it's not sticky. The heat makes it apply, but it is, again, I really apologize for my dirty hands. I probably should have washed them before I started this video. And then they did a good job tucking it underneath, and that's where it's really getting. So basically, that's how you take it off. I'm trying to think of what it feels like. I guess it's like basically pulling really hard tape off of something. But I'm trying not to groan while I'm doing it, but it takes effort. It's like, ah! Anyway, I don't think you guys want to watch me taking the whole thing off. Sometimes it's rewarding to watch other people do these projects. So, but it is rewarding when you get a big piece off at one time. Kind of like when you get a sunburn, you want to pull it off. All right, well, I think you know how the rest of this goes. And then you get back to black. So I'm gonna send it in. I'll drop it off, and they'll redo it for me. I sent it in once already, and they tried just fixing the bubble. They tried fixing the bubble with just a quick pin in the bubble, but it didn't work. All right. I'm sure you guys are loving watching me, so I'm gonna go. But that's as easy as it is to take a wrap off. Bye, guys.